All right. So our first statement, we said 120 is equal to 2x plus 10. Why are we able to say that? Okay. Why are we able to say that these are equal to each other? What about this told us that they were equal to one another? All right. They're alternate interior angles. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Alternate interior angles. So because of that, we've had this rule before in the past. Alternate interior angles are equal to each other. All right, I'm going to put a little symbol at the end. That means congruent. Congruent just means equal to one another. So alternate interior angles are congruent. That means that I can do this. These kind of go hand in hand. All right. Now, if you were going about trying to solve this problem, what would you do? What would you do? What would we do next?
Solve it.
Okay, how would I solve this?
120 equals 2x plus 10.
Okay, 120 equals 2x plus 10. All right, good. I've got that for my first line. What would I need to do next on my next part of this problem?
Subtract.
Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of do a little flow chart here. The next y is I'm going to subtract 10. All right, and I'm just keeping track of my steps, basically. Subtracts 10. All right, so I'm subtracting 10, and then what is that going to give me? So I'm coming back over here. All right, 110 equals 2x. Okay, now where would that step take me over here in my evidence?
Divided by 2.
Divide by 2. Okay, if I divide by 2, where is that going to take me to my next statement?
5.
All right, x is equal to 55. Okay, so did we just prove that x is equal to 55?
Yes.
We did, absolutely. I'm trying to prove what is x actually equal to. Okay? So, let's go through and let's try to come up with some statements. Some stuff that'll go with this. All right, so I always put my evidence on the right. I got my statement right here. Okay? So, what's the first statement y'all think I can make?
3x equals 2x plus 12.
Okay, so let's say 3x equals 2x plus 12. Why do you think I can make that statement?
Because the angles are corresponding.
All right, the angles are corresponding. Are we in agreement with that?
Yes.
All right, corresponding angles are congruent to each other. Okay, we know that because we were given that rule earlier in our notes. Okay, now if I was going about solving this, so those two kind of go hand in hand. All right, what would my next piece of evidence be? What would I need to do to get my next piece of evidence? All right, I need to subtract what? Okay, subtract 2x. Why am I not subtracting 12? So I need to move the 2x over there, don't I?
Yep.
Right, so that gives me just 1x equals 12. All right, and am I done here? Yeah, I'm done. I just proved. All right, I proved that x is equal to 12 for this. Is there any way that I could check this possibly? All right, I could always plug in and check. Okay, let's do that here on this second example. Let's make sure. Since they didn't tell me what x was in the very beginning, let's try to plug in this one. All right, so 3 times 12 should be equal to 2 times 12 plus 12. All right, what's 3 times 12? It's 3 times 12.
36.
36, good, I like it. All right, 2 times 12?
What you think?
24 plus 12. And 24 plus 12 is 36. So I get 36 equals 36. Boom, that thing checks out. We're good to go. All right.